Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. So today I'm going to show you how to create this wonderful food website or restaurant website using just HTML and CSS. And you can see this animation, and this is a complete website as I have created using just HTML and CSS. Okay, and this animation I will just give you step-by-step tutorial how you can create this same, and I will create this in different parts and sharing the source code as well. Okay, so in this video I will cover the navbar as well as the hero section. Okay, then after that in future videos we will cover the browse sections or this more about us with these as well as this with this blog article as well. Okay, so we will create every pages. Okay, not only that, we will create the about pages in future. If you want, I can create the whole website working state. Okay, so just comment me. But now let's see the demo first. Okay, start with the navbar. As you can see, I have added some hover animation to the links, as well as here you can see we have animation as well. And when I refresh the page, you can see this landing animation, as well as when we scroll, this animation works with this as well. And yeah, everything works very fine here. And by the way, this website is responsive as well. If I can show you, I will go to this mobile version, and as you can see in mobile it look like this with a hamburger menu. When I click on it, it will give me these links. Okay, when I click again, it will go out. Okay, now let's move to go below, and you can see this animation is it working very fine. Yeah, and yeah, this is very nice. Now let's move to the tablet version. So here you can see in tablet version it looks amazing, tablet as well. So let's start this video with a intro. Okay guys, so let's start this video, and I will create the navbar as well as the hero section in this page, but in the upcoming videos I will cover whole website. Okay, so give me rating how this website look like, and by the way I will share the source code as well, but at the end. For now I will just create videos. Okay, and I will give you step-by-step tutorial how you can create this as well. Okay, and if you get any issue regarding anything, just comment below and I will give you answer as soon as possible. Okay, and now it's time. It's all so guys, it's already 20,000 subscriber you have completed, and I will aim for 50,000. Okay, so keep supporting guys, and I will try my best to give you a perfect website and everything as I can. Okay, first create a index.html file. Okay, and by the way, these are images that I will use to in this website. Okay, so create an index.html file and add the format. After that, change the title first. Like I will use Happy Tummy Restaurant. Okay, I know this is very unique and different name, but I will use this one. Okay, then after adding the name, I will go to add some links as well, like these two links, which I will tell you what it does. So first one is used to add the icons to the website, and second one is used to add custom font family to the website. Okay, that is I will use Playfair, and the second one is Poppins. Okay, now let's go to body, but before that let me start with the live server so you can see the changes as well. So finally I have connected with the live server and make the separation so you can see the changes live. Now first we will create a navbar, that is nav, with the class name navbar. Okay, after that we will add a container and add another container, that is nav container. Okay, then let's refresh it. Then after that we will create a link, and we will do hash for now. Add a class name, that is logo, and then finally add a logo, that is happy. Okay, now refresh and you can see here we have logo. Then let's move to the hamburger. We have to add the hamburger menu as well. So here create a div, that is hamburger, then add the icon. Okay, let me refresh. Here you can see the icon. Now let's move to add the links. Okay, for that come to here and add URL. unordered list, and then like here add the class name, that is navlinks. Okay, and for the li I will use nothing. Okay, inside li I will add a link, hyperlink, and set to hash. Then add some links like home, then again that is second one is about, then after menu, then pages, and the last one will be contact. Okay, refresh it and you can see we have the navbar. Now it's time to style it. So what we will do is to create a style.css file and link with the HTML file. Okay, so come here and link with the HTML file, that is style.css. Now it's time to styling our website. So here start with the universal selector, that is star, and add the padding 0, margin 0, font family Arial for now, and box sizing good. Hit enter. Then move to the root file and let's go for body tag and add the color with dark not one more thing that is left is text color, so let's add the text color. Now add the instead of dark color I will add text color because we have to add the text. Okay, and after that add the line height to be 1.6. okay, then let's go to again add the container, style the container, width will be 100%, max width will be 1200 okay pixels, margin will be 0 and auto to make it center, then add the padding to 0 and 20 pixels. Okay, hit enter and you can see they are aligned perfectly. And style the navbar. Okay, so here I'm adding a comment, that is navbar. Okay, then after that let's add the navbar. So select the navbar class name and add the background color to white. Okay, so I will use where and add the white color. Now hit refresh, then add the padding, that is 20 pixels and 0, then add the box shadow, that is 0, 2 pixels, 10 pixels, and then RGBA, that is so that's nice. Then move to the position will be fixed because we have to fix it at the top, so position will be fixed. Okay, hit enter. Yeah, now you can see some border box shadow. Okay, here you can see the box shadow. Now take the positioning to 0 at the top and Z index will be highest, so I will use 9999. okay, now let's move to the nav container because after that we will after the navbar we will display this one. So just add display flex, justify will be space between, and align item will be center. Hit enter and you can see the changes, but you can see the navbar is a little bit smaller as compared to that one. So what we will do, we will add a width will be 100%, and now you can see the changes have done. Now let's move again and style the logo part. So here what I will do is add the font size will be 1.8 rem and font weight will be bold, then color will be where primary color. Okay, hit enter and you can see it looks good, but we will remove the underline, so text decoration will be none. Now it should look fine. Then after that we will go for nav links. Here use display will be flex and list style will be none to remove the dots. Okay, then we will add the nav links, select the nav links on list and then add a margin left will be 30 pixels. Okay, hit enter and you can see some gap between them. Then move to here and add the nav links. Select the nav links A and add text. Decoration will be none. Then color will be where and dark. Okay, we will use dark color. Hit enter and you can see the changes. Then font width will be 500 if you don't want much bolder. Then position will be relative and add the transition because we will add the hover effect, so transition will be color and 0.3 second remove. Hit enter and here we can't see the changes. Now we will add the hover effect to this, so just come here, type nav links A hover and set the color to primary. Hit enter and you can see the changes. Okay, now it's look fine, but we have to add the underline as well. So go to here, add a nav link A and we will add the after segment where content will be nothing, display will be, instead of block we will use absolute, and width will be 0, height will be 2 pixels, background color will be primary, and transition will be width 0.3 is, and then we will add the bottom to be minus 5 pixels and left will be 0. Okay, let me show you how it looks like. For that I will just increase the width to 100%. Hit enter and you can see. Okay, so we have make some mistakes. Okay, here instead of display we have to use position. Okay. Position instead of relative we will use position absolute. Notice sometime the Copilot make mistakes. Okay, don't worry. Okay, now you can see the changes. Okay, so we will use this line, but we have to first make it to 0 and then when we hover it we will add this. Okay, for that just come here and add the hover effect after, and width will be 100%. Now hit enter and see changes. Okay, now it looks like good. Okay, yeah, it looks perfectly fine. After this part we will go to make the hamburger. To we will fix the hamburger position first, so for that come here and add the hamburger and let's style it to display none. Okay, and cursor will be pointer, nothing changes more, and font size will be 1.5. Okay, that's enough. Now it's look fine. So what I want, when I lower the width, I want to remove these parts and add the hamburger. Okay, for that what I will do is to add the media query here, media screen, and max width will be 768 pixels. Okay, remove these parts. Okay, 768 pixels, and add the hamburger first to be display block. Yeah, here you can see the display. Okay, now let's to style the nav links. So first go to nav links. Okay, so I will add the position fixed to 80 pixels and left will be minus 100 pixels, width will be 100%. Okay, and then height will be calculate. We will add 100 vh minus 80 pixels. Okay, now it's fine. Then we will add the background color to white. After that we will add flex direction to be column. Okay, now you can see. And then after that we will go for align item to be center. Then padding top will be 50 pixels, and then add the transition left. Okay, so now add the transition left to be is enough, not is enough, it will be is fine. Okay, so now it's in the center and everything looks great. Now it's time to add the functionality. Like when I click on here, it will disappear, but when I click it here it will come. Okay, for that what we will do is to nav link and add a pseudo class that is active and set to left 0. What it will do is to make the left to 0 when I click on this hamburger menu. And one more thing, add the nav links li and add the margin to 15 pixels. So now it's look fine. Okay, so let's come to here and add the, okay, so now is in the center, but so instead of 100 pixels we will move to 100%. Okay, now it stays up here. So what we will do, we will create a script tag here. Okay, so create a script tag and add the const hamburger, then nav link. And what I want is to when I click on this hamburger, it will toggle the active to this navbar. Okay, so here we don't have anything. Yeah, here nav links. When I toggle the active, it will active the nav links, and then again it will disappear. So let me just show you. So when I click here, you can see the links are come from left side, and when I click again it will disappear. So yeah, this is the hamburger we have created, and it's really amazing. And you can see it's fully responsive, as when I increase the width to more than 768 pixels, let me show you. You can see the links are come apart and then go back. Okay, so it's fully responsive. Now we have to create the hero section. Okay, so let's go to create the hero section.